Just one more quick one for the night. I remembered I had these come in, so I'm going to pop that in there, and I'm going to have to get a connector that will fit into there and come off my buck converter, which is sitting over there, into it. So the buck converter will provide me with a 7.5, and also down here I'll be able to get 5 volts out of it, or not out of that, but out of the PC power supply, and that will give me enough to run 2 of these boards. Now the difference between my pinouts, I get these here, a lot of them, so, but these are the ones that Brett uses, so I'm just going to put, these are a lot better, they're machined, so they are a better quality than these. Much of a muchness really when you're soldering, but I think these are a better product, so I'll probably go with them next time. So we'll pop them in there with all the other ones I got, because you know, when you order one you order 50 from China. And yeah, we'll keep moving along. Lots and lots and lots of stuff. So there's a heap of other stuff. I got a lot of point M3 screws today because I was running out of them. So I was running out of them in here, so I ordered some, and they've given me every size under the sun, which I really didn't need. I only needed 2 sizes, and yeah, but they'll have to do for the moment. They weren't that dear, but yeah, over a bit of time, you shouldn't get too much. So what I've done here, these pins here were bent over. I was going to find the other one. I'll pause it. So here it is here. They come bent over. I wish the Chinese wouldn't fit them. It would be a lot easier if they didn't bother fitting them. I'd be happy if they didn't do it. Save them a little bit of time and effort, and give us a little bit of effort that we have to do. So yeah, I've bent all the pins over here. They were bent over. Yes, they don't look anything pretty. I wouldn't call that pretty for soldering, but it's all done. And I think, oh actually there's one pin I've got to do, the end one. I haven't done that, and then I will fit it into its recess on the back of here. So got that, so it will fit over here nice and neat. So it's going to fit like that, and then I'm going to have to do some offset mounting to mount it in, and then that card's there. Like Brett said, he hasn't tested it, but I'm sure one of us is going to test it sooner or later, so it might come in handy. And what I was thinking of doing with this is, I wouldn't mind having like a spreadsheet that every time it does the batteries, we get a spreadsheet going, so if we wanted to pick our sizes and that, we could just pick them that way. It'd be a lot easier. Anyway, that's it from me. Another quick video, and keep working. That's what I'll be doing.